How to upload video on TikTok from gallery. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to upload a video on TikTok from a phone gallery. So let's get started. First of all, launch the TikTok app on an iPhone or the Android device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Now once inside the TikTok account, at the bottom center of the screen, tap on the plus icon to create a new video. Now on the recording screen, look for the upload option usually in the bottom right corner of your screen, or you can simply see gallery icon available there. Tap on it. Now browse your gallery and select the video or photo you want to upload. So here I'm choosing a random photo for now. You can simply tap on the sound icon available at the top and change the music as well. And you can simply add effects, text filters, music and post it. Tap on the upload option available there, and all you have to do is wait for a few minutes for your post to be uploaded. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.